Hey, this is AJ for the Disney 411 News. At Magic Kingdom, it's been announced that Jungle Cruise will be closing for refurbishment on August 26th. It's not been announced how long this will last for, other than it will be open before the winter holidays begin at the parks. Additionally, Peter Pan's flight is now closed at Magic Kingdom as part of a 6-week refurbishment. It's expected to reopen on August 21st. It's also been announced that the music from the new Country Bear Musical Jamboree will be available to stream from July 17th, to coincide with the attraction opening. It's not yet known if this will be the full show or full songs from the show. Stay tuned to hear it right here on Sorcerer Radio once it becomes available. Moving over to Epcot, preparations are underway for this year's Food and Wine Festival, as the first of the new temporary food booth locations were installed in the park this past week, more than a month ahead of the opening date of the festival on August 29th. In international park news, Oriental Land Company, who own Tokyo Disney Resort, have announced that they have partnered with Disney to create a new cruise ship that will be based out of Japan. The ship will be a similar style to the Disney Wish and is expected to begin operating in early 2029. And finally this week, we've received news about this year's D23 Expo, including the Keynote Presentation, which has been named Horizons, which will be held on August 10th, and is expected to feature news about Disney parks, experiences, and projects around the world. We've also received news about other events attendees will be able to experience, including 30 Years of Toy Story, Jolly Holiday, a celebration of Richard Sherman, Donald Duck's 90th Quacktackular, bringing worlds of Disney animation to life in the parks, a retrospective on 70 years of the Muppets, as well as panels and experiences on Marvel, Star Wars, Disney Plus, and even the making of a Goofy movie and many more. The reservation random selection process for all days at this year's D23 opens July 15th at 12 p.m. Pacific and runs until the same time on July 19th. Reservations will be then randomly distributed based on preferences and availability between August 2nd and 5th. Limited standby queues will also be available for most experiences for those who are not selected for their preferences. Stay tuned to Sorcerer Radio for all the news from this year's event. And that's your 411 quick take for today. Head over to the Sorcerer Radio Discord at srsounds.com/Discord to chat along and keep up with the latest news. And don't forget to tune in to our hosted shows throughout the week.